Welcome back friends. And in Facebook, if you want to change your name, then in the updated version of the Facebook, how you will you change that, I'm going to cover in this video. It was not possible by earlier methods, so watch the video till the end and you will come to know in very quick times. If you like the video after watching it, please do consider to subscribe this channel. So just go to the Facebook quickly, and here you will see this button. Tap on here. In edit profile, you will not find where you have to change the name. So now what you have to do, go back and tap on the three dots, three horizontal lines, go below. Here you will find setting and privacy. Go to the settings, and in settings, account center has been introduced recently. Here you can find all the things. You can manage your connected experience and account settings across Meta technologies. Just tap it here. You will see profiles here. It will not come into the personal details, it will come into the profiles. Just tap on the profiles. Here you will see all the linked Facebook, Instagram, all accounts. Tap on the profile you want to change the name. Just tap on the name, and from here you will just change the name. But see, if you change the name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. Remember it. You can change whatever you want, your name, nickname, whatever you want, you can change from here. And after that, go below and review changes. Then review changes, just touch it here. So this is all what I wanted to tell you, how to change your name in Facebook. So if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel.